Kindergarten couldn't be going any better. My parents just got me the Contixo V10, the tablet that makes education fun. With Google Kids Space, I can discover, create, and learn however I want. There are so many kid-approved free books, games, and apps. Getting mom and dad's permission is really easy with Family Link. But the V10 already has Contixo Academy, which has over 20 different fun academic learning games. It even came with a stylus. Contixo V10, the perfect tablet for a kid like me.